Hello everyone, this is going to be the next video on nouns. As you all remember, nouns are names for people, places, animals and things. Today we are going to talk about collective nouns. Collective nouns are words for groups of people, animals or things. Let's start with nouns for groups of people. A family, which is a group of people. A band, a choir, a group, a class, a team. These are all groups of people and collective nouns. An orchestra, an audience. So all these are used for collective nouns. Now many collective nouns can be used with a singular, that means one, or plural, that means more than one verb. Example, it means that verbs used for singulars and plurals. For example, my family. Now family is a collective noun used for a group of people. You can use a singular verb with it, was. My family was happy to see me. Or my family were happy to see me. Now you can see that family is a collective noun which can either be used with a singular verb or a plural verb. But not all of them can be used like this. But the following collective nouns always have a plural verb, not a singular one. Cattle, people, the police. Let's do a few more examples to make things clearer for you. A brood of chickens, that means a group. But for chickens, we say brood for a group. A shoal of fish. Again, shoal is a collective noun used for a group of fish. A team of players. Again, team, a group, so a collective noun. A flight of steps. Many steps together, group of steps called flight. A block of flats. A bunch of keys. A class of pupils. A few more. A collection of books. Many books together, we can call it a collection. A comb of bananas. I'm sure you all have seen a comb of bananas. A fleet of ships. Again, many ships together, fleet, group. So a collective noun. A flock of sheep. Group, flock, collective noun. A herd of cattle. A gang of robbers. Again, group, collective noun. I think that's about it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and very soon we will come up with new videos which will make the English language easier for you to learn. Thank you.